Today we're going to be doing a review of the American Express Gold Card, and we're going to take a look at some of the benefits, some of the downsides, and we're going to take a look at the point system and how it works. So one of the first benefits that you get for signing on with this card is that you get $250 cash back and 35,000 membership points if you spend around $4,000 in the first 6 months of having the card. A couple of the reoccurring benefits that you get every calendar year include $100 in airline credits and $120 in dining credits, which are split up into about $10 per month, which isn't the greatest thing, but it's still better than nothing nonetheless. Another cool thing that the card offers is car rental loss and damage insurance. So you might not have to pay for car insurance when you rent a car, which honestly, I don't know if that's the safest thing. I think I would just get the car rental insurance just in case, because you never know. Plus it's so cheap, it's like $5. So I don't know if I would completely put all of my trust into the American Express card, but yeah, that's just my opinion though. Another cool thing that the card offers is a baggage insurance plan. Basically, if your baggage gets lost, damaged, or stolen, American Express will cover you. It's $12.50 for carry-on and $500 for checked baggage. So you get 4 extra points if you use this card at supermarkets and restaurants, and then you get 3x points on flights. So a little bit more about the points and how they work and how much they're worth. 1 point is basically worth 1 to 5 cents depending on where you use it. So if you use it at checkout at like Amazon, or if you redeem it for a gift card, or if you redeem it for flights, it can all vary depending on where you use to redeem them. One of the biggest downside about this card is that there's a $250 annual fee, which in my personal opinion, I don't think it's too bad of a deal. The pros definitely outweigh the cons, and I think I would definitely give it a try even for the first year, because you do get $250 cash back. So you're still going to get your money back either way. And if you don't really like it after that first year, you can always cancel it. Let me know if you guys think the card is worth it. I think it's pretty worth it. You could always give it a try. But that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.